Welcome to One-on-One with the Church, and I'm Diane Vanderputten. Today I have the honor and privilege of introducing Pastor John Ruby of Union City Church here in Ottawa. Pastor John, thank you so much for joining me.
Hi, thank you for having me.
So John, we're going to have a few laughs along the way in this interview, but I just want to first of all say congratulations. I know it's almost 2 years since Union City has taken shape, and what a celebration that must be.
It is, thank you.
So for those listeners that don't know who the church is or haven't heard of it, tell me a little bit about who you are as a church.
Well, who we are as a church, our vision is igniting hope and restoring freedom. And so it sounds like a big vision and grandiosity, but we've implemented a few things, a few initiatives to be able for us to reach our communities, to have impact in our culture. And so, yes, we meet on a Sunday morning as a corporate worship community, and that has grown significantly over the last year, and we're reaching a demographic that really hasn't been churched, a big recovery community from drugs and addiction. So we have that, but then we are really seeing families come on board too. And so hope can be delivered to the drug addict, but then to the entrepreneurial businessman. So a couple of the initiatives that we've started, we have a discipleship group, a spiritual fitness group called LifeLab, and it's a 5-month journey. And basically it's bringing somebody through spiritual fitness. It's kind of like taking somebody up the mountain as Moses did to meet with God. And so it's not about us, it's about us just leading somebody into a relationship with the Father. And then they come down glowing and pass on the message. That's the key. And so we've rolled out 4 of those semesters and graduated about 43 people. And then we've started a monthly show we call it Ashes to Rubies, and basically it's giving hope a platform. And so we do that by sharing stories. We every last Thursday of the month you can see 3 stories, testimonies if you will, and it's people sharing about being vulnerable and about being where they were and where they are today and giving hope to people. So we have 3 10-minute stories. We have poetry and spoken word, we have hip hop, we have music, singer-songwriter stuff, and so that's a good night. It's very unchurchy, it's for the non-Christian, just to be able to be inspired and pass on our hope. And then the last thing that we've just started, we've started it a year ago, but now it's just launched, and it's our social enterprise called Karlin, Ting, Kombucha. So Karlin Booch is a fermented tea product, Kombucha, and we flavor it for the normal pop drinker, and the point of that is to have jobs for guys and girls coming out of the addiction community, volunteer hours, and then a portion of every bottle sold goes back into our community to help with projects in the addiction field.
Wow. You guys have amazing platforms and many different spheres, but I love what I'm hearing is that it's mentorship and it's about equipping individuals no matter where they are on life's journey, and that you're walking with them hand in hand and seeing them onto victory and greater success.
Thank you. Yeah.
Amen.
And Jesus said, go make disciples. He didn't say go be disciples.
That's
so
right.
our goal is to make disciples that make disciples.
Amen.
Thank you.
Well, Pastor John, thank you so much for joining me today on One-on-One with the Church. God bless you and all you're doing here at Union City Church.
Thank you. Fist pump.
Woo.
Yeah.